Hi guys, welcome back to Country Views. I want to apologize for promising you guys a video for Halloween. I've been dealing with this real bad toothache. I actually have to go and have it pulled this week. This is one of my better days, so I'm posting a video today. So what I thought I would do to make it special is I would make a low carb dish today. It is called stuffed bell peppers, but there's a twist on it. And for all you keto lovers, you can make it just like this and get away with it. So let's get started. I found these miniature bell peppers. They're not the real small ones, and they're not the real big ones. These are just easier for, you know, bite size, or if you want to just cut them up a few times. They're super sweet mini peppers. These work the best for me, you guys. I got these at Walmart in the organic section. They come pre-washed, but I've already pre-washed them again, so that's just something I like to do. Now, all you're going to do is cut them like this, and you're going to scrape the insides out like this. Okay, now if you're on the keto diet, be careful with these kind of peppers. You might want to switch them up with maybe the green peppers, or maybe stick closer to the yellow ones, because these are sweet peppers. They have 40 calories, a little under half a gram of fat. Let's see where the carbs is, you guys. It's got a lot of omega in it, 2 fibers. Okay, I don't see a carb on here, so you guys might be good on here. There's 6 grams of sugars, but if you deduct the 2 fibers from the 6 sugars, it only makes 4 sugars, and you can have 1 gram of these. So if you weigh them, it's 1 gram, and it's only going to be 4 sugars. Just for the pepper part. So definitely make sure you're counting if you're on your keto diet. So you do this, okay? Now while I'm doing this, for all you newcomers and Country View juniors, welcome. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. And I also have an Instagram and a Country Views page. So don't forget to check me out there. You have any suggestions, comment below. All right, so they're going to look like this, okay? And what you're going to do is you're going to just take some cooking spray. Spray whatever kind of casserole dish you have. Okay? You want to kind of get the sides too, okay? This is going to prevent your bell peppers from sticking. Or sweet peppers in this case. You're going to set them down in here. And once you get this filled up, or whatever casserole dish you're making, you're going to pop them in a 450-degree oven for 15 minutes. And then when I pull these out, I'm going to show you what goes on the inside. All right, guys, so I have the peppers inside the onion, or I'm sorry, excuse me, inside the oven. This tooth is bothering me. Sorry, guys. So while those are getting soft, I thought I would show you guys how to cook up the filling. I have 1 small chopped up onion. You can chop it however you like. And I have these sweet Italian brats. Now what I do, I have my pan heating up on medium heat over here. And what I do is I just go through, cut the casing off. Well, this casing's hard. Okay, so now once you get a good grip on your casing, it should just pull right off. Just like so. Okay? Alright, I'm going to go and put my lid back on there. And just set those skins to the side, because those are going to go in the trash. Okay? And you want to do this until you get all the way through. I have about 3 packages of 5. And I'm going to finish this package so I can show you guys the next step here before I add the others. All right, 2 more to go. All right, 1 more to go. You're quiet today, Cam. You doing all right back there behind the camera?
I'm doing great.
That's good. Good deal. All right, so of course I got 2 more packages to go to, but I want to show you guys the next step, okay? You want to make sure you have some oil in here. I have sesame seed oil, or I'm sorry, sunflower seed oil. And you want to kind of just break these up in here once you get the skins off. Okay? Because this is what's going to be part of your fillings. Wait till you guys see the twist on it. You keto fans, keto lovers are going to love this recipe. Okay, so see how I'm breaking these up, you guys? All right, you're just going to break them up real quick, and then you're going to put your onions in off your cutting board so you don't get popped. Okay. Then you're going to come over here to your garlic. And actually, focus on that. I need to wash my hands here. You want to take a spoon full of chopped garlic, or chop up about 2 large cloves. Put that in there. Okay. And then you just take your spatula and you start chopping it up some more, moving it around. Now this is going to be more when I show you the next step, because I got 2 more packages to do. So when this is ready, then I will show you the next step, friends and family. All right, guys, so this is what the meat looks like. It's kind of chunky, but you want it kind of chunky like this, okay? You got your onions and everything cooked with it, okay? So now, what you're going to do, here's the twist. It's called keto lasagna stuffed bell peppers. You can have the lasagna being on keto. You have about a half a thing of cottage cheese of 24 ounce, so use at least 12 ounces. Put that in here, okay? Like that, spread it around. Okay? Then you want, where's the ounces? 15 ounces of ricotta cheese. Okay, we're doing it, guys. We're mixing the 2 together. Okay. Well, if that will open, we might take the knife across here. Okay. It's being difficult today, guys. It don't like me today. Alright, and you want to kind of smash that around. Okay. Now, make sure you get this evenly coated on your meat. Okay. Leave whatever juices are in here with it, because you're going to need those juices to help keep your sweet peppers moisturized. Okay. So give it a good coating over all your meat, like so. Once it's all fully coated with both cottage cheese and ricotta, then we're going to start stuffing our bell peppers, which is sweet peppers, but a lot of people will use the bell peppers instead. Now, at the end of this video, I will tell you what your total net carbs is on this whole bell pepper here. Sweet pepper, lasagna stuff. Alright, now see how it's kind of juicy, but it's coated? Doesn't that look good?
Yes, it does.
Alright. Now, over here, I took in my peppers out. And actually focus on that for a minute, Cam. I'm going to get this out of their way so they can see what I'm doing here. If I don't drop it everywhere. Ugh. Okay. All right, so I'm back. Hello. All right, so give it another stir. Heat it up just a little. I'm over here making a mess. All right, so now what you want to do is bring your pan closer, and also to turn your oven down to 375 once you pull your bell peppers out, okay? Because at this point, you do not want to burn them, all right? And they're really hot, so be careful. So you're going to just start filling them with this mixture. Okay. Oh, what the heck. Why don't we just do this? Got you guys. All right. So.
That's one way to do it.
Yeah, it will fill the peppers in too. So don't worry, guys. Your peppers are filled in. Okay. All right. So you want to smear it around like this, okay? Then I have 2 small cans of this brand of spaghetti sauce. Or you can use 2 cans like this or 1 big jar. Okay? And you want to pour it right on top. Look at that, guys. Are you feeling where I'm going with this, Cam?
Yes, I am.
How about you guys? Friends and family? Are you excited? All right, so there's your 2 cans, okay? You're going to spread that out, okay? Like so. Now, can you guys guess what's next? Mozzarella cheese, that's right. We are probably going to use this whole bag over the top because we like our cheese. And it's a little bit on the frozen side, but that's okay because you're going to be covering this and sticking it in your 375 oven for about 30 to 45 minutes, depending on what kind of oven you have. So when I am done with this, and it's done, and I pull it out, we will have a taste test. All right, guys, so I've pulled it out of the oven. I've had it cooling for 30 minutes. It ended up cooking for 30 minutes, and then I took the aluminum foil off and stuck it under the broiler for another 5 to 10 minutes. This is what it looks like. We're pairing it with the side salad. If you are watching your carbs, don't eat your little cherry tomatoes or just limit yourself. So I'm going to get a spoon while Cam focuses on this, and we will have a taste test. Alright, so what you want to do is you're going to feel around for a pepper. Okay? See all that ooey gooey cheese? And I guarantee these are really soft. I mean, look at that. Looks like you got 2 peppers, Cam.
Yeah,
and then you can take some more of this sauce that fell out and just dump it right on top. Like that. Look at that. I mean, the plate looks messy, but messy is good. And then you're going to come over here and take some salad and pair it on the side. Like so. And I know you don't like tomatoes, Cam, so I will take the tomatoes out. Now, for who is not on the keto diet, I'm gonna just throw these lovely pieces of toast out there. Now, if you're on the keto diet, no toast. If you're not, you can have some crusty toast. So, do you want a crusty piece, Cam?
That's
All
fine.
right. So there's that. I'm going to take his plate over here so he can put salad dressing. And then I'm going to turn this and follow him.
All right.
And he is going to have a taste test.
All right.
Say hi, Cam.
Hi, everybody.
Say hi, baby.
Hello. All right.
Let us know how soft that sweet pepper is / bell pepper.
Is what I'm planning on.
Look at that. It just falls apart, guys.
Yes, it does.
Oh, my. Look how good that looks. It's hot, so be careful.
And it's stringy. That's awesome.
Yeah, stringy and cheesy. Yeah? Is it delicious? What does it taste like to you? What spices are you tasting? Or a mixture of?
I'm not really sure.
Does it taste like lasagna?
Yeah.
Yeah?
It does.
Good. Good deal. All right, guys. I'm sure you don't want to watch them take a bite of the toast or the salad, but I tell you what, take another bite for them for that pepper there. Awesome, awesome. All right, Cam, give us a thumbs up. Thank you for visiting Country Views. We'll be posting more. Thank you. Bye.